Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Nissan Micra Acenta. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to a very impressive 52 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 5, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 38,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Universal Silver. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, nice hard wearing fabric on the seats there, and there's an armrest in the centre for the front passengers. Also two cup holders there in front of the gear stick. On the dashboard you have your FM radio there in the centre with CD player, and then a few other features I can mention. The car also has Bluetooth for your phone, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card you have your electric front window controls. For a small hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for the rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 15-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or would like to book a test drive, then please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.